value. This is the beginning of me telling you about how internet marketing works. What the internet allows you to do, what social media allows you to do, is contact more people for you to add more value. If that makes sense, say yes. So, create more value means make more money. Your quality question that you need to write this down right now, write this down, is how can I create more value? Brainstorm 100 ways how you can create more value and add more and make more money. Create more value and make more money. Don't do that right now, but that's your quality question. Millionaire secret number 3, part of that still is, so if I understand that the more value I create and deliver, the more money I make, the next quality question is, how do I create more value? Now, value is created when you solve problems for people or when you give them what they want. Again, does that make sense so far? Awesome. So the question is, the next quality question is, what problems do people have? What do people want? I was broke and I was living in a squat, but I got those questions. I don't even remember where I learned them, but I started brainstorming in my journal the answers to what people want and what problems do people have. And when I did that exercise, I started realizing that there's no limit to how much money I can make. There's no limit to how much money anyone can make. Because the more problems you solve for people, or the more problems you solve for more people, the more money you'll make. Does that make sense? Awesome. So in fact, this is business in a nutshell, and this is internet marketing in a nutshell. This is like internet marketing or business 101. What is a business? A business is an interface between value and a target market. What is a target market? A target market is a group of people. It's a bag full of people that have the same common sets of problems, the same problem. So for example, people who suffer from diabetes, that's a target market. People who want to learn about how to make money online, that's a target market. People who want to enjoy some yoga retreat in Thailand, that's a target market. People who want to travel from Madrid to London, that's a target market. Does that make sense about target markets, yeah? This is the starting point of any internet business, by the way. Ask yourself, what is your target market? Anytime any of my coaching clients says to me, Mark, I have an idea, I want to do this, I say, stop. Before you even tell me your business idea or your internet marketing business idea, what is your target market? Until you decide your target market, your internet marketing goes all over the place and you don't really get any traction in your business. Because what happens, people think, here's what people approach me and said, yeah, Mark, right now I'm doing this multi-level marketing thing and this thing, and I'm going to write an ebook as well on that thing, and I think I'm going to sell on eBay as well, and I think I'm going to do a webinar with this guy over here, all in 4 or 5 different target markets. They're not really focusing all their efforts towards adding massive amounts of value to a target market. So they're all over the place. And then a few months later they come back and go, oh, Mark, this hasn't really worked yet. What am I doing wrong? You're not adding tons and tons of value to a specific group of people.